So hello everyone, once again welcome to another video. So in this video I'm going to tell you about the DSU scholarship because recently they have updated the rankings. So friends, those who have the other scholarship other than the DSU, then I don't know anything about that scholarship. So for those students, simply they have to check their university website and they have to get updated regarding their scholarship. Okay, so in this I'm just going to tell about the DSU scholarship. So friends, today only they have released the rankings. So friends, we have to see the results. The result, it may be eligible, not eligible and beneficiary. So friends, those who are not eligible for the scholarship, okay, then they will not get the scholarship, and those who are eligible and those who are beneficiary, then they will get the scholarship. And friends, please don't get worried whoever not eligible for the scholarship, okay, because this is not the final ranking, this is the provisional ranking. Because last year even it happened for me, in the provisional ranking I didn't eligible for the scholarship, then I worried and I thought what to do next and what to do next. Okay, so friends, those students whoever getting the not eligible, then there is one options. Okay, so please follow that. There is one review sections. Okay, so you have to take the review before the deadlines. I think there will be some deadlines in order to make a review. Okay, so if you make the review, because there will be also reason why you are not eligible, they will mention the reason also. So just check the reason why you are not eligible for the scholarship, and after that give them proof like yes, we have submitted all the documents on time, etc, etc. So they will verify it and they will update in the final ranking. So last time I didn't eligible for the scholarship in the provisional ranking, but after that I make a review and told them that I have submitted all my documents on time, etc, etc, with the proof and with the screenshot. Then they verified it and finally they released the scholarship in the final ranking. In the final ranking I was a beneficiary. So friends, I will show you on my laptop like how to see the rankings and how to make the review, etc, etc. So don't worry those who are not eligible. Okay, I will show you. So friends, we have to log in to our university website for the Polmi. This is my website, that is online service. So here if you open this, you will get this type of, okay, so here in the services there is like find the service. Okay, so here we have to search like application form, DSU benefit or economic benefit something. So here you can see the benefit and agreements. Okay, if you have to click that, and here you have to see 2021 2022 at that corner, you have to click there. So simply go click there, and after that if you are seeing at the left side there is a show ranking in the call ranking. So if you see the show ranking, so it will show you. So see, this is the provisional ranking and see the result. So my result is eligible for the second year scholarship. Okay, and friends, those who are not eligible, then they have to make a review request. You can see here review request. So review request is very important, and you have to explain them why you are not they will give you the reason why you are not eligible. Then you have to give them proof. Yes, I have applied on the time and I did everything on time with the proof, because sometime it get delay. So after that you have to explain them and you have to give them proof. Okay, so they will take review and they will verify it, and in the final ranking they will give you the result as a beneficiary or eligible. Okay, so that is very important. And remember, please make review before October 10 or October 11 only. If you are doing after the deadline, then it will not possible and you will not get the scholarship. Okay, so this is the thing, and here we have to clearly explain them and we have to explain the reason also. Okay, now for example, even when I was in India and for my first scholarship I was not eligible for the DSU. For example, 2021 I came in 2020. So I'm just going to show you in my provisional ranking I was not eligible for the scholarship. Then I worried and I thought what will happen for the scholarship, I didn't get, etc, etc. So I will show you again. I went to the show rankings. This was my last year. Okay, so if you see my provisional ranking, I was not eligible for the scholarship. And if you see at the right corner, and also for the okay accommodations, and if you see at the right corner in this, they have given the reason why I am not eligible. Okay, so after that I had made the review request. Okay, so in that review request they have verified all my documents, and in the final ranking they have given the beneficiary. So this is very important, and it can save your scholarship. And if you forget to make a review before the after the deadline, then really it will be very disaster for you and you will lose all the things in the first year. Okay, and friends, for those who are not eligible for the scholarship, then please note that you have to make the review before the deadline. That is, I think October 10 or October 11 is the deadline. So before that you have to make the review, otherwise you will lose the scholarship. Okay, and friends, those who have the result other than like eligible or something else, then they have to make the review. Okay, for example, if your result is suspended or something else, then you have to make the review. Okay, yeah, if you are getting the review option, then please make the review before the deadline. Okay, and another thing related to the accommodation, for example, I think there is a deadline to submit the contract. I think October 11 is the deadline to submit the contract. Okay, so for those students who are in India, so they no need to worry about it, because last year it was the same for me. Because last year I came in the month of December to Italy, so after that I submitted the contract. So yes, they will say like that you have to submit the contract on 11th of October, but the thing is that those students who are in India, we can't submit the contract, right? So don't worry. For example, those who are not able to submit the contract, they no need to worry, and they no need to book the accommodation here and they have to submit. So it is the risky type. Okay, so just do not worry about that. Maybe they will extend the date. Okay, and after coming here you can submit the contract, because I did the last year same. For even though if they are not extending the deadlines for submitting the contract, you will get the scholarship. Okay, so it will not affect your scholarship, but the thing is that when coming to Mensa, so you will get like instead of €5 you will get the €3 per month. Okay, so don't worry for that. Those students who are not submitting the contract on time, or those who are in India and you have to submit the contract by taking some risk, so don't take the risk. I think they will extend the deadline, because they know that many students are in their hometown, so don't worry for that. Okay, and friends, other things, for example, there is like some bracket, income bracket, and something other thing in the scholarship. Okay, so don't worry about all that. You have to focus only on the result. If there is a result is eligible in the provisional, then definitely you will get the scholarship. So friends, I think I have covered almost all the things related to the DSU scholarship, and I am very sorry for other scholarship, because many people ask me to tell something about some other scholarship also. So really I don't know about other scholarship and other universities. So simply you have to check their university website, or you have to contact someone, whoever they are. Okay, so sorry for others. Definitely if I know something, I would like to share. Okay, so I think I have covered everything, and I think it is like very bad editing video, but I'm trying to just share the information. So please sorry for the video quality and editing. Okay.